Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sheikh Moody. Today I am going to speak as a cricketer. Do you know who I am? I am Virat Kohli. I am the captain of the Indian team. Do you know I am right-handed batsman. I am good in batting. At the present time, I am playing in the IPL. RCB is my team and I am also the captain of RCB. Our team played many matches in the World Cup. I am really proud to be an Indian. The bat is not a toy, it's a weapon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Patient is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. Respected teachers and my dear friends, good afternoon to one and all. I am Darun. I am studying in second W. Today I am going to tell about orange. I am an orange. I am citric fruit in round shape. I am sometimes sweet and sometimes sour. Orange juice is one of the very tasty and healthy juice. We all get vitamin C from an orange. More children like and eat me. I am one of the healthy food in the world. Eat orange and be healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Advik and I am in class 2. Today, do you know who I am? I am water. Water is very important in our life. Water is useful for bathing, brushing, drinking, cooking, planting, almost everything. Without water, no one will live. So, save water, save water. Stop misuse, stop misuse. This is a gift from God. Think about the future. Respect water. Thank you.
My dear friends, my name is Ajlan from 2nd W. Today I am going to talk about a clock for fancy dress competition. Tick tock, I am a clock. I make you wake up, I make you to wake up, I make you to sleep. A clock is common device in our home. A clock is an important material in our daily life. We use clock to measure the time. It helps us to lead life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Dr. Aris Rahman. I stay work for you. Stay home for us. Stay safe and stay healthy. No eat junk foods. Eat only healthy foods like vegetables and fruits. Do exercise daily. Drink plenty of water. Do brush twice a day. Wash your hands before and after the meal. Now I will tell you how to perform hand rub and hand wash. Now my hand is clean. If you will not follow these tips, I will give you injection. Thank you.
My name is Fawaz. I'm studying in second standard. My role is fish. I living in ocean. I like to swim in deep water. People are eating me. I'm very, very sad. I want to be freedom and swim in ocean. Can you help me? Can you free me? Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, can you guess me who I am? Yes, I'm a tree. I give you fruits, vegetables, and flowers, wood, and oxygen. And the reason for the rain. But what are you doing for me? You are cutting me without thinking about your future. You will cut one tree. Please don't see more trees. Lastly, I would like to say, save the trees, save the earth, and save our future. Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Mohammed Alam. I am studying class 2nd W. Today I am telling about character of Spider-Man. He is very famous in a lot of countries. Many children and teenagers like him. Spider-Man is not a spider. He is human being but look like a spider. He is red, tall and strong but no hair. His eyes are big and blue. Especially his hand can make some cobweb. So he can stick to anything to kill him. Spider-Man just has one hobby fight with the bad guys and save the people. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Mohammad Hamza Bari. I am in 2nd W. Do you know me? I am small water droplet. I am very important in your life. I am very small inside. Little droplet like me makes a mighty ocean. Oh people, save me for your children and grandchildren. Don't waste me for better world from better environment. Thank you.